Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So this is a lecture for class 4th, subject English speaking. And today's our topic is conversation, and in which we will conversate about examination. And this is our lecture 1. So dear students, I will tell you that how two students conversate about the examination. As your examinations are approaching, that's why I am taking this topic. So let's proceed. I will first tell you about the meaning of conversation, and then I will show you the conversation between two friends. Now, let me tell you what is conversation. Conversation is sharing of thoughts and ideas. It is interactive communication between two or more than two people. Dear student, you should know, as earlier also I have told you about it, that conversation मतलब संवाद, दो लोगों के बीच में बातचीत को हम conversation कहते हैं. I hope you understood. When we share our thoughts and ideas with another person, it is called conversation. Now let me tell you the characteristics of conversation. So the characteristics of conversation are: you should speak clearly so that others can understand. Speak in complete sentence. One should speak complete sentence so that one can be able to know that what the other person is saying. You should express your thoughts precisely. Precisely means beta accurately. Exactly you have to say the thing which you want to say. Okay, आपको एक बात को प्रॉपर तरीके से वे आउट देना चाहिए. It should be accurate, it should be precise. Now let me show you what exactly conversation is. So conversation is the mirror of thoughts. Basically conversation क्या है? It is mirror of thoughts. The ideas, the thoughts which you want to exchange with other is basically called conversation. Now let us go through the conversation between the two friends, and you very well know that this is the conversation about examination. So here is the conversation between two friends. One is Rohan and other is Rahul. So both of them are conversating about the examination. So let's proceed. Rohan: hello Rahul. Then Rahul's turn. Rahul: hi, nice to meet you. Then Rohan says, why are you not looking from too many days? Then Rahul said, I am busy from several days. Now what Rahul is saying? That he is busy from several days. Now why he is busy? He will tell you in the next line. Now Rohan asked Rahul, busy for what? Are you preparing for exam? So रोहन उससे पूछता है कि क्या तुम एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो? राहुल: could you guide me how I should prepare for them? और राहुल उसको दूसरा क्वेश्चन पुट कर देता है कि yes I am busy in that, but क्या तुम मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो in preparing exam? After saying कि yes he is preparing for the exam, he asked Rahul that could you guide me how I should prepare for them? Rohan: you should make notes and do practice of the same. अब रोहन उसको गाइड करता है कि तुम्हें नोट्स बनाने चाहिए और उन नोट्स की प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. इन दिस वे यू कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्जाम. Rahul, should I read the textbooks again? Rohan, no. Just do practice with the help of assignments, or you can learn and write answers again and again. So in this way, Rohan helps Rahul how to prepare for the exam. Even dear students, you can also do conversation with your friends like this, that how you can prepare for the exam, or who helps you out in preparing the exam, or do you feel nervous while preparing for the exam. So like this, asking questions and giving answers make a conversation. So in this way you can continue the conversation, and the same conversation you have to do in the online classes. So dear students, prepare for the same and join the online classes to enhance your English speaking. I hope you understood how to do conversation and what are the characteristics of conversation. So you have to take care of the pronunciation, fluency. You should speak clearly so that others can understand. You should speak complete sentence, and you should express your views precisely. So dear students, please join the online class to do the conversation in the particular class. Thank you. Have a good day.